I've got another fix, so if you want to see what's on this springy edit, then stay tuned. Hi and welcome to our channel. My name is Tracy. Chloe is getting ready for bed and Bandit's hanging out with my mom. Dexter's just hanging out. But if you're new, welcome. Thanks so much for checking us out. And if you're returning, thank you so much for being a part of our YouTube family. So I was looking at my wardrobe and I didn't have a lot that fit me. Over the past year, I've lost some weight. So there was a top I really wanted and I thought, well, if I get it in a box, I'll get 25% off of it. So yeah, I did one of those, like I did last time with the boots, like get it in an edit and then see what else they send me. So I did get to pick, they did send me a preview. I think I picked 5 out of what they sent me. So I believe there are 3 mystery items in here. Now you can get 5 to 8 items in your fix. In order to get the discount, you have to keep at least 5, but it is 25% off. And when you only got 5, they just like sent you the 5 items. There was typically like one thing that I never really liked, but in doing Stitch Fix math, with the discount, you actually got it cheaper, even if you just took one for the team and kept that other one. So I like getting 8 because I'm not stuck with that, but I also don't like getting 8 because I often like almost all 8, if not all 8. So I have my little price list and note from my stylist, Katie. And let's see, the entire box would be $434.50, but the buy 5 plus discount if I purchased everything would be $108 discount, bringing this to $325.87. I don't have a styling fee because I have a style pass. I don't believe they still offer that, but for those who didn't abuse it, they allowed you to grandfather in. So that's $49 for the year, and that $49 comes off of your next purchase. So here's my bag to send everything back. Like I sent almost anything back. Okay, looks like there are 2 pieces of jewelry. One I chose, I'm gonna guess that's this one. I was so in love with this, yes, when I saw it. So this is a bracelet by Panacea. And I have other bracelets on, but we're gonna take those off. Love it. It even comes with a little bag. And guys, like I store my jewelry in these little bags now, like if they're the velvety type, because I know that really protects it. If they're little mesh ones, no, that's not doing anything. But yeah, I love that. And I'll go over the price after. Now we have another box and oh, it's a beautiful jewelry set. Beautiful. Love that. That is Kevia, and the Kevia sets, I mean, you're getting a good bargain. That averages out about like $8, give or take a few cents. There is my little packet. And shoes. Now, one thing I love about Stitch Fix is that they do shoes. Now, Wannable is thinking about getting into the shoes. They have actually asked that question, like, would you be interested? And I was like, yeah, I need shoes to match, you know, to complete the outfit. So these are by Tom's, and I thought they were really cute. They feel very like kind of hard. Like I would think it looks foamy, but it feels kind of hard, but we'll see. Tom's can go one of 2 ways for me. Either they are the most comfortable ever, or they are so stiff and I can't stand them. But I thought that was cute with a little denim. Let's get into this little bundle of clothes. So I'm going to start with the item that started this, and that was this tank top. So guys, I've been looking for, here's one of my biggest issues, is having little tops to go under like cardigans and things. So I have been looking for that, so I specifically asked for if she couldn't find a cardigan to go over this or a jacket, for some little separates that I could wear, mix and match, particularly tank top types. And this is by Market and Spruce. This is by 41 Hawthorne. And it is exactly what I would be looking for. Ooh, and she gave me a little cardigan, flag and anthem. And that is perfect. It's a little short sleeve. It's going to go with the orange. It's going to go with the white and orange and with the white and black. And I did say like a little short sleeve cardigan. So right on. Great job, Katie. All right, there were a few pairs of jeans that I liked, but I went with these. And these are by Studio Blue. And they are just some nice kind of straight leg, bootleg, is that boot cut? I think I said it was a boot cut. And a nice wash. And then last by Market and Spruce, I can't get enough of this yellow. I loved it last year. I love it again this year. And just a cute little cardigan. It is kind of a very kind of common weave, but I like that it's just kind of a nice, simple little cardigan, because right now it's still chilly. All right, guys, this looks bad for me. This looks to be probably an 8 out of 8. Yeah, that's bad news for me. Maybe I won't like the shoes. There's that. All right, I'm going to get to trying stuff on, and I will be right back. Okay, I am back with the first outfit. So I put on one of those necklaces, and this one I noticed was backwards. So I want to show you guys that. But that was really pretty. Now, the tank top is a little snug. I think it's supposed to be close fitting, but I think that I definitely want to size up on that, because I like it a little bit less snug, just because, you know, I got a little belly there and I don't want to accentuate that. But I love the little piping on here. Now, if you're my friend Kathy Ray, this is why Bandit doesn't need any more box toys. This thing is so stinking full. Toys are just spilling out. So that's why. It's not because I'm mean, Kathy Ray. My friend Kathy Ray and I, we talk about my Bandit, and she loves him. He's got a few too many toys, though. All right, so the shoes, I love them. Oh, that's so wrong, but I love them. I think they're adorable. They give me just the right lift in height, so I do like that. Really like the cardigan. I think it'll go with a lot of different options that I have, so I think that's going to be a keeper as well. Jeans are super comfy. Studio Blue jeans, though, they're very comfortable. They're very soft. They have the right amount of stretch. Really like them. Now, short of this being just a little bit snugger than I like, it's not like it's the right size, but it's a close fit. I feel very put together in this outfit. And that's one of the things, like, I just want to feel put together. So the cardigan by Market and Spruce is the Monica crew neck long sleeve in pale yellow, size medium, $59. Not a bad price when you're looking at 25% off of that. The tank top is Market and Spruce Janelle whip stitch ribbed tank top. It like kind of cuts off, but that's what I'm going to guess the rest of the words are. In orange, size medium, $35. Again, not a bad price with that 25% off. The jeans by Studio Blue are the Iridessa high-rise boot cut jean in indigo 10 petite, $78. I would say these are mid-rise. These are definitely not high-rise. Yeah, no, they don't go up any higher, and they come to right here, which is pretty much at my belly button. And the Tom's Diana Mule in Indigo. These are, my shoes are always, almost always the most expensive thing in the box. $80, but again, we're going to take 25% off of that. So that's cheaper than I could get it at Tom's unless they were having some flash sale. All right, so far in love. The bracelet by Panacea is the blue and gold squared resin stretch in gold, $38. All right, so there is that. And we're going to try on another outfit. All right, I love this even more. Oh my God, if I had to choose between the two, as much as I like chose that tank top with the yellow ribbing, the orange detail, this one, it's got like that looseness that I like, so it's a perfect fit with this cardigan. Come on, you can't go wrong with this outfit. Right here, this is the outfit. And so the tank top is by 41 Hawthorne. It is the Alana Cooling Rib Contrast in white, medium, $39, great price. And then the little cardigan is by Flag and Anthem. It is the Thea SS short sleeved cardigan in black, medium, $59.50. Love it. I also swapped out for this necklace, and I think that goes really nicely. I love it all together. Absolutely, this is probably my favorite. So if I had to choose, I probably would choose this over the other, as much as I like the other. Yeah, I feel even more put together in this one. I'm gonna keep both. I'm gonna be honest. I might keep both sweaters and both tank tops. But if I keep the other tank top, I'm gonna size up on it. So this though, love it. Love that this has that little bit of a looser feel where it's fitted but not snug. So love that. All right, let me know your thoughts though. Do you have a preference? Like, which one would you like better? I like the colors in the other one. Like, I like the yellow and the orange, but in this one, the fit, the feel, yeah. And love it with these sandals. Oh my goodness. Can't wear the sandals to work, but they can be in the back of my car to put on after work. Because you never know where you're going to end up. At the grocery store, at the gas station. It's pretty much where I end up, but you never know. All right. Well, thank you so much for spending a little time with me. Please consider hitting that like, subscribe, and notification bell. It is totally free to subscribe here, but it means so much to me. If you leave a comment down below, that engagement also helps push out my videos so that more viewers can see it. And hopefully, I'll see you soon.